Apple LLM Siri to compete with ChatGPT. Apple's reportedly working on a new AI-powered version of Siri, LLM Siri, aiming to compete with advanced tools like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini Live. Unlike the current Siri, this version would offer more natural conversations and handle advanced tasks. The AI upgrade is part of Apple's broader plan to integrate AI into its devices. LLM Siri would be able to use AI models customized by Apple, making the assistant smarter and more conversational. It would also interact better with applications and help users summarize and write text. For instance, Siri could analyze what's on your screen and perform actions and apps much more seamlessly than the current version. Apple will broadcast some of these AI updates next year and a full transition to the new Siri system by spring 2026. Apple's Senior Vice President of Software Engineering, Craig Federighi, suggested that the AI-fortified Siri would be different from tools like ChatGPT. While ChatGPT may be able to write a poem or describe quantum mechanics, Siri is designed with more practical tasks in mind, like opening your garage or sending a quick text. Apple's been cautious with the rollout of its AI. The most recent addition is GPT-like functionality for Siri through iOS 18.2 beta. The improved assistant is expected to balance AI power with privacy, doing much more processing on the local device. With the competition in AI heating up, LLM Siri could redefine the way users interact with iPhones. It's positioning Siri as a smart assistant designed for everyday needs by combining conversational intelligence with practical utility.